Welcome to our new video on how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnail in just a few steps. So if you are a beginner, so this video is just for you. So let's dive in and start creating. So first of all, open the Canva app. Next in the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail and hit enter. Select a template that suits your idea and style. Here we will select this one. So let's re-edit this. Select your stock media like icon, image, video, and so on. So that's you will need in your thumbnail. Upload your file in Canva. Select the file, edit image. So remove background. Select the image and drag into the main position. And we will repeat this method with another one. Second step is edit the text. Here we will add some elements like shapes, icons or border to enhance the design and catch more views, buyers and clients and so on. That's it. You have just created an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Don't forget to download and use it in your next video. So subscribe my YouTube channel.